Hi everyone! Welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to give a review of these reusable and refillable Nespresso compatible pods that I got from Shopee. I got it from a shop called imcshopper.ph for 159 pesos for 6 pods like this. So it says in the description that each pod can be used 50 times. So with 6 pods, you can use it for 300 times or 300 cups or 150 cups depending on how many pods you want to use per cup. So I'll give a demo on how we use it. So normally when we use the Nespresso pods, I just use one shot. I usually have an Americano which has 80 ml of espresso one shot, and then I just add hot water 120 ml. So the total is 180 ml. Now with this reusable cups or pods rather, okay, so I'm just gonna fill it up. So it looks like this, okay? There you go. I'm gonna fill it up with ground beans. I'm using beans from Batangas. So these are Barako beans, Barako coffee. Okay, so the set comes with a plastic spoon like this. And what I usually do is after putting in the coffee, I press it down with the bottom of the scooper like that to make sure that everything's compressed inside. Now they say that when you use a reusable pod like this, you have to make sure that you will close it properly because you don't want the grounds to actually splatter inside your machine because it has the potential to damage your machine. And by using pods like this, you are actually voiding the warranty already of your machine. Okay, so I'm using here a Nespresso Latissima 1. It has a built-in milk frother here, but I removed it since we're not using or making cappuccino anyway. So I'll just close it. Okay, so if you will hear a clicking sound, so you have to hear that sound to make sure that the capsule is already closed properly. So with this one, I've already used it. I've already tried it. I find using one pod a little lacking in taste. So, kasi I drink my coffee kind of strong. I have it black. I don't have any sugar or creamer. So I want my coffee strong. I just have usually 1 cup of coffee a day. So I want it really strong, matapang para gising na gising ako agad. So, I use 2 pods. Okay? So what I do is if I'm using these reusable pods, I use 2 pods using the espresso function. So that's 80 ml times 2, and then I just add a little bit of hot water after. So let's see. So I already pre-filled 1 pod earlier. So that's 1 pod of 80 ml of water. I'll use another pod. So there you have it. Sometimes I add a little bit water. Just hot water. Okay. So as you can see, I'll show you. Okay, so that's how my coffee looks like from the pod. It still has crema here. So there you go. Yeah, it smells good. Some of the things that I want to note when using these reusable pods. Number 1, you have to make sure that your beans are finely ground, meaning they should be super fine, not medium or coarse. So that's number 1. Number 2, the crema will not be as thick as when you use the Nespresso pods or other Nespresso compatible pods, which are not, refillable and usable. Okay, so as you can see, it still has crema, but not as thick. And even the coffee mixture itself, okay, will not be as thick as when you use the Nespresso pods. But if you will ask me if these are worth the buy, I'd say definitely worth it. For the price, it's 159 pesos, so roughly $3 for 6 pods, which you can use 300 times. And it gives me comfort to know that whenever we run out of pods, of Nespresso pods or other Nespresso compatible pods, that I can still use my own coffee. And sometimes, we have some preferred coffee blends or coffee beans that we want to try. So it's also good that we have this. So now that I'm talking, as you can see, I just want to show it. The crema has already thinned. So it's almost gone now. So the crema is almost gone. As compared to when you're using Nespresso pods or Nespresso compatible pods, usually the crema will, just stay there afloat for quite some time before they kind of dissolve. So yeah, it's thinner. The consistency is thinner. But the taste is good. So yes, still very affordable. And this is very, very recommended. So that's it. If you like this review, please don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any comments or questions, please don't forget to put them down there and I will reply to each one of you. That's it for today. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.